Hello guys and welcome to Eddi channel. On today's video, I will be designing a contact form. I'm just going to input the name, the Gmail, so that's Great King 82, and we'll be typing hello, how are you doing? So I'm just gonna click on that submit button. So it brings me to this page, form submitted successfully. So let's check it out on my Gmail. You can see the new form submitted from your site. So I'm just gonna open that. You can see it. The name is Isaac and the Gmail Great King 920. So how are you doing? I'll be accomplishing this with HTML and CSS. All right. So let me just use the folder with my image, and I'm just gonna open this HTML on my code editor. So we have the estimated file with the title, contact format, Eddi. Yeah, that's the name of my channel. So I'm just gonna open my folder. All right, so that's the folder. So I have the image, the index, and the CSS down there. So I'm just gonna open what's it called? A div with a class contact container. So I'll be open that. So in between these, I'm going to create a form. So from the class will be contact title. No, that should be contact left here. So I'll come down here and create another div class with a contact right. So inside this form, I'll be creating a div with a class contact left title. So that's the inside. I will have my header 2, which is get in touch, and the horizontal line. So down here, I'll be input, which should be the form. So let's check it out through my live server. So you can see get in touch with the stuff like that. So I'm just gonna duplicate the screen for better view. So here I'll be added the name. So the name will be name. So the place order, that will be your name, and it will be required. No, so let me just create add the what's it called, the class. So that will be contact input. So that's I'm just gonna copy everything and paste it down here. All right, so here that will be email. So the name will be email, the place, so that will be your message. No, that should be your no, your email. So your email, and the class will be contact people, and it will require as well. So I still the copy, so I'll paste it down here. So I'll change the input here to text area. So I'm just gonna erase the type. So the name will be named the place, so that will be your message. Sorry, the name will be message, so the place, so that will be the message, along with the contact input for the class, and it requires. So I'm just going to close the text here because it's not an empty tag. So down here I'll be creating the button. So that's the button. So the type will be submit. So in between the button, I'm just gonna add this image for the button. So that will be image from my image folder. So I'm just gonna use arrow icon .png. So I'm just gonna close my the image right here. So down here I create another image. So that would be the right image. You can see that is displaying on the screen. So in between this button up here, I will just type the submit button, so to make it look better. So you can see that. So let's come to the CSS. So how the padding will be 0, the margin will be 0, the box sizing, that will be border box. All right, so let me start the body. What's it called? The font family, that will be that should be outline. Yes, that should be outline exactly. So down here, so we have the background with the linear gradient. So with this, what's it called? The color, comma. So I'm going to add another one. So that's because I'm just going to copy this div class with the content container to style that. So that will be dot contact container. So the height will be 100 VH. So the display will be flexy. That will be flexed. So the hairline item that will be center. So all right. So let me style our form. So the contact left. All right. So um display will be flex. The flex direction. So that will be column. The align item. So that will be start. And the gap will be 20 pixel. So that's how you can see everything's changing right here and it looks beautiful. So let's come back and start the div in between the form. So that will be contact left title. So the font width will be 600. So the color. So here is the color for that. So the font size that will be 40 pixel. And the margin bottom, so that will be 5 pixel. So here's the contact left title with the horizontal line, so the border will be none. The width, that will be 120 pixel, and the height will be 5 pixel. So the background color, so that will be the color for that. So you can see that. So here's the border radius. So that will be 10 pixel, and the margin bottom, that will be 20 pixel. So under this content container, so I'll just add a justify context. So that will be space heavily. So you can see that it looks great, right? So all right, so you can see that. All right, so let's go back to the our HTML. So I'm just going to copy this from the input so like to style the contact input. So I'm just going to style that to make it look beautiful. So the width, that will be 40 pixel. So the height, that will be 50 pixel. Sorry, the width will be 400 pixel. So the height will be 50 pixel. So the border, that will be none. And the outline will be none as well. So the padding left will be 25 pixel. So the font width, that will be 500. So the color, so that will be color. So just gonna specify that. You can see the color. So the border radius, that will be 50 pixels. You can see this, it look great, right? Look beautiful. So let's start the what's called the contact form along with the text area. So the height will be 140 pixel. So just want you to see that. So all right, so the padding will be 15 pixel. So the border radius, that will be 20 pixel. So you can see that. So it looks great. So let me just what's it called? All right. So the contact input focus. So the border will be 2 pixel solid, and the color will be this. All right, so the contact input with a placeholder. So the color will be, all right, so that will be the color for that. Sorry, so that will be left. So to make that one work out the text area, which the comment stuff, you can see it on the right hand side. So let me copy the what's it called, the contact left with the button. So display will be flex the align item will be center. So the padding will be 15 pixel and 30 pixel. So the font size will be 16 pixel, and we have the color. So the color will be white. So the cap, that will be 10 pixel. So we have the border. The border will be none. So here will be the border radius. That will be 50 pixel, and the background, that will be linear gradient. So 270-degree, with along with the color. So to make it look so perfect and beautiful, you can see those color for that. So number is cursor will be pointer. All right. So down here, let me copy the contact left, right. So along with the button with the image. So the height will be 15 pixel. So you can check it out. You see everything looks great, right? All right. So let me just add the style, the contact. That should be contact right. So so along with the image, style that. So the width will be 50 pixel. Oh, sorry, that should be 500. You can see that. So yeah, it looks great, right? All right, so you can see the responsive is not there, so I'm just gonna add that to make it look okay on the mobile stuff. So that brings me to this at media bracket mass width will be 800 pixels. So with a call bracket, so in between I'll be adding my contact input. So the width for that will be ETVW. So down here I'll be having my contact right. So display there will be none. So whenever it's on the mobile, the image won't come up. You can see that. It looks great, right? It looks very great and perfect. So let me just come down to this what's it called? This website. That'll be Web3 form. So I'm just gonna open that. So then I'm going to click on this. So and enter my email. So it said successfully. So let me check it out on my email. You can see right here your access key for Web3 form. So here they send me what's it called? The access key. That's the key. So I'm just gonna copy this action with the method from this side. So I'm copy back to my own form. So I just pasted it down here. So I'll come down here and copy this input, and here I will paste it here last way. You can say the input I paste here. So here's your access key. So the access key from my email, that's the access key. So I'm just gonna copy that and place it right here. So it looks great, right? So let me just input the name, input the Gmail, and type hello, how are you doing? So I'm just gonna click on the submit button. Form submitted successfully. So this message goes straight to my email. So you can see the new form submitted from your site. So let me just open that. Hello, how are you doing? Along with the name and the Gmail. So you see that. All right. All right, that will be all on this video tutorial. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section.